In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a deposit in QuickBooks online. Whether you're managing finances for a business or just keeping up with personal accounting, recording deposits accurately is crucial for maintaining clear financial records. Let's dive right into it. First, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention towards the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find the New button. Clicking on this will unveil a menu presenting various options tailored to meet your accounting needs. Today, our focus is on deposits, so go ahead and select the bank deposit option from there. Now you're in the bank deposit section, the first task is to add your bank account. This is a critical step because it tells QuickBooks precisely where you physically or electronically deposited the funds. If a bank account is already established, simply select it from the list accessible to you. If not, QuickBooks conveniently guides you through the process of adding a new account, ensuring all necessary fields are correctly filled out. After setting up your bank account, the next step is selecting the payments included in this specific deposit. These could be customer payments, refunds, or any other type of deposit funneled into your bank. To do this, just check off the payments that align with each deposit you're recording. This ensures your records in QuickBooks reflect what's actually in your bank account. With your payments selected, it's time to determine where to add funds to this deposit. Generally, you'll be adding them to an income account. However, it's vital to verify which account best captures this transaction, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your reporting and bookkeeping requirements. Spend a moment double-checking that this ties in seamlessly with your business's accounting practices. Once all these details are thoroughly checked and squared away, you're poised to finalize the transaction. To do this, simply hit Save and New at the bottom of the screen. This not only records the deposit but also refreshes the page, allowing you to seamlessly enter any additional deposits on your list. And just like that, you've successfully wrapped up recording a deposit using QuickBooks Online. This keeps your financial records accurate and up to date. Remember, consistent and accurate bookkeeping forms the backbone of robust financial management, and tools like QuickBooks Online significantly streamline this process. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, continue to keep your finances organized and in check.